Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a custom border publisher document with image. So let's start. At first, open your publisher document. In this video, I will show create custom border with image. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click. Now click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for insert option. Now resize your picture in this space. Now you can see. Now going to the shape option, then select from rectangle shape. Now draw a shape in this space. Now going to the shape fill option, then click for a white color. Now going to the shape outline, then click for no outline. That's it. Now you can see. Create custom border with image in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.